Hello there, welcome back to Yunku's Pepe Talks. Today, I want to welcome you to a straight talk session. I want us to wrestle something that has quietly shaped the way we interact, the way we judge, and the way we discard people. Yes, you guessed it, cancel culture. We live in an age where mistakes are broadcast instantly and judgment comes faster than reflection. The question is, have we confused accountability with condemnation? Have we traded incorrection for cancellation? Because if we're honest, our culture has become quick to punish, but slow to restore. And if we don't pause to rethink this, we risk losing one of the most powerful tools of growth: grace. So let's talk. Cancel culture versus accountability. Have we lost the heart behind correction? We live in a time where the minute someone messes up, we cut them off cold turkey. No conversation, no context, no opportunity for growth, just cancel. And while I absolutely believe in accountability, especially when someone's actions cause harm, I also believe we've crossed a dangerous line because cancel culture doesn't correct, it condemns. It doesn't hold people accountable so that they can become better. Instead, it writes them off permanently as if they're incapable of change. But here's the truth. You can't heal a society by teaching people to throw others away. We talk so much about mental health, empathy, and kindness, yet we leave no room for redemption. And from a faith standpoint, how does that even align with what we believe? Christ corrected, yes, but he also restored. He confronted sin, but he never stripped people of the opportunity to become better. So I ask, are we still correcting with love, or have we become addicted to canceling so we can feel morally superior? At the same time, let's be clear, grace does not erase responsibility. There are moments where accountability means separation, and in serious cases, it even means legal consequences. Some behaviors are abusive, manipulative, or dangerous, and in those situations, you must step away and protect yourself or others. Grace isn't the absence of consequences, it is the refusal to remove someone's humanity while consequences are being applied. So maybe the real challenge is, can we hold people accountable without stripping them of their humanity? Can we correct someone and still leave the door open for growth? Can we stop canceling and start calling higher? Because a society that only knows how to cancel will eventually cancel everyone, including us. So I say let's do better. Let's bring back grace plus accountability. Both are absolutely necessary. If you agree it's time to rethink cancel culture, drop an emoji in the comments so we can keep this conversation going. And if this is your first time on this channel, I want to thank you so much for joining and for listening in. I ask that you share, like, and subscribe so that you may get continuous follow-ups from today. Thank you again. This is your girl, Yunku's Pepe. Until next time, have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.